tayo sa Doha Airport. Our first trip ngayong 2026. Punta tayo sa Maldives. Punta tayo sa Doha. Ay, maginaw. Maginaw pa rin. So, hindi masyadong busy dito. Konti lang ang tao. Hindi ko lang alam sa loob. So, ipasok na kami. Ang ginaw. Kalimutan kong maglagay ng cleaner. So you can see, hindi masyadong busy ang airport, no? Ayan. Kunti lang talaga ang tao. Alright. Ayan. Kunti lang talaga ang tao. Kunti lang ang tao. No?
For some reason, this is a pretty quiet time right now.
It is quiet.
That's why there's
So, tapos na kaming mag-check-in. 5 minutes lang yung pag-check-in namin dahil tingnan mo naman. Walang katao-tao. Hindi lang. So, sa immigration na kami. Nandito na tayo sa lagpas na tayo sa immigration. So, nandiyan si Bear. Hi, Bear. So, we are at the Hamad International Airport in Doha. So, ito rin si Bear. The airport is not so busy. There are few people. So, we are going now to see 31. What is our gate number, sweetheart? Your daming boats. So we're gonna ride a train. We're going to see 31 business class lounge. So we are going to the lounge. This big Oreo cafe here in Doha. Nice. So we are going to the lounge. It's only 9 o'clock here in Doha, and our flight is at 1:10 a.m. So yeah. Okay. Sure. Let's see how busy the lounge is.
you want to go back there to the back.
Parang walang tao. Yes. So, diyan yung start ng lounge. As you can see, not so busy.
Kind of nice or snowing in here.
Yes. The lounge is not so busy, huh? Yeah. So, the buffet is over there. As you can see, there's no queue. As you can see, it's not so busy. You got cookies here, fruits, and dessert. And we got kunapa cake, mango cheesecake. Oh, not so bad. And muffins. Oh, nice. The Arabic sweet here. Let's get some dates. So we are at the Gold Platinum Lounge and we are having a dinner. This is our dinner. It's salmon and some greens and chicken basmati with basmati rice and what they call this?
Masala, yeah.
Masala and rice. So we ordered three
Yeah.
three different kind and then we'll just share. So I ordered the watermelon, fresh watermelon juice, and yeah, bon appetit. So this is what I'm having for dessert: vanilla ice cream. We ordered from the menu. There's other dessert in the buffet like cheesecake and apples, cookies, dates, and muffins. But yeah, you can order from the menu if you'd like to. Yeah, that's the menu. So bon appetit. The menu. Is that real? Ay. Ano to? Bread. Butter. So we are at the ladies' room. Punta na tayo sa gate. Sa C31 tayo. Look at that. So busy.
Les Skyline, which is
Let's get ready. Look at that.
oh, wow.
So a guy from Anantara, Quijaba came and picked up us, and he took our bags and passport, and we're gonna check us in. So we are still at the airport. I don't know what time is our flight, next flight to Anantara, Quijaba. Pretty busy here. Thank you. Diba? So we're heading to Anantara Quijaba Lounge.
So there we have the water available in two sides.
Okay.
And are you comfortable with the temperature in the car?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's good.
Wi-Fi also available in the car, and now if you wish to have a phone charging cable also, we have a phone charging cable.
Okay.
And to go to launch, it will take around 10 minutes, and our driver Veera will take you to the launch, and my colleague will be there to welcome you in the seaplane terminal and will escort you to the launch.
Okay, that sounds great.
Thank you.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Very nice. Appreciate your help. Hello.
So we are now at the seaplane terminal. And now we're going inside the lounge of Anantara. Oh. Oops. Nice. Nandito pa rin kami sa lounge. Ayan, nag-aantay kami. Our flight is at 2 o'clock. Na-delay kasi yung flight namin, Qatar Airways, ng 4 hours. Bale, naka-board na kami. Tapos, pinalipat kami ng, airplane. Kasi, may technical error yung dapat na aircraft na sasakyan namin. So, kaya na-delay kami ng 4 hours. So, imbes na 9 o'clock sana yung flight namin papunta sa Anantara kay Haba. Bale, na-move kami sa 2 p.m. So, ayan, nag-aantay kami. Bale, dumating kami dito kanina. Mga 10 a.m. Tapos, nakalabas na kami siguro mga 11. Tapos, ang flight namin papunta sa sa resort sa Anantara ay 2 p.m. pa. So, ayun. Ilang oras din kami nag-antay dito. Pero meron namang lounge. Magandang lounge. Ayan. Konti na lang yung tao. Kanina medyo busy. So, ayun. Okay naman. Very smooth naman sa immigration experience ko na stamp lang ang kailangan sa passport. Walang yung visa yata, visa on arrival, pero wala namang bayad, free. So, for all, my husband is American and ako Filipino. So, wala kaming binayaran sa immigration. Hindi ko alam kung ilang araw yung binigay, pero siguro for 30 days yung visa. Anyway, 7 days lang naman kami dito. So, ayun lang guys, ang update ko ulit mamaya. Bye! Ito yung lounge ng Kehaba. Nandun yung mga food. Tingnan natin kung ano yung mga pagkain nila. Wow. May coffee machine. May mga nuts. Yan. Fresh fruit. Tea. So, kami na lang ng hubby ko ang naiwan. Spacious naman yung lounge. Ayan. Tapos sa labas. Ganda sa labas. Ayan. Nandyan yung so, ayan siya. So, it's really nice and spacious. Kami na lang yung natira dito ni Happy. Maya-maya siguro kukunin na kami. Ayun! Mag-board na kami! This is the plane. Wow.
Once again, officially a very warm welcome. Thank you. Have we been to Maldives before?
No.
It's first time.
First.
The water is so clear.
Yes, please. As a part of our experience, we take a welcome picture with another water cameraman. You can just stop by the door.
Oh,
Oh, sure,
yeah,
that'd be
sure.
One side or two sides. Or 7 p.m. or 10 p.m. Followed by Nala Orchid. First two time you might feel complicated, but you're just turning one round always.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll figure it out.
Thank
Yeah.
you. With this sign of big tree, if you turn around, you'll go again to the area where